Okay, so if this is the error that you're getting, you can watch this video, and this is related to Clang++, no such file or directory, so Clang cannot be found. This is mainly because Unity cannot find the file that is over here. And this is because on Linux, you have basically a broken install or broken module addition of the required file. So this is not really present in the system on Arch Linux. So in order to fix this, what we're going to do is, if this is the error that you're getting on Linux, and I'm on Arch Linux or Endeavor OS right now, please make sure that you have this right here. So I'm going to zoom in. You can see it, that this is basically the package that you first of all require. So once you have that, we can continue on to the next step. So right now, this project is not set for Android, but we're going to go to build, going to go to edit and then go to preferences. And if you can see over here, I already have my Unity set up to basically use the NDK that is present on my system and not the one that comes with Unity. So what you're going to do is you're going to install this NDK into your system. So for that, I'm using the IDEA IDE, which you'll see right here. So this is basically the IDE that I'm using to install the NDK. So what I'm going to do right now is go to settings, and then inside of settings, I'm going to go to the SDK tools, and over here, make sure that you have show package details selected. And over here, you're going to go and take a look at the NDK side by side. And this is what you require. Okay, this is exactly what you require. This right here. This is the NDK that is required and is compatible with Unity. So I've already installed this, and right now there is an error on my PC. I'm going to show this error to you, so I solve it myself. This is what happens basically. So I have to go to the SDK manager, and then I have to basically do this and then click apply, and then there's going to be error again. So I just have to go over here and then go next and next and then finish, and then I can install something. So I have an error even over here. So you can see that this is basically the error that I have. Okay, so once you have that SDK installed, again, I'm going to show that, once you have that NDK installed, this is the one that you want, 27.2.124.79018. This is exactly what you require. So you're going to navigate to your folder, which is going to be over here. Let me show you where mine is. And I'm going to close this once it's installed. I'm going to go over here into this location, which is over here. I'm going to go to NDK, and this is the path that you require. So this is the path that you require. You're going to copy this path, and then you're going to go to the preferences, and then you're going to paste this over here. So this is where you're going to paste. This is where you're going to paste that location. And after that, when you'll start building your Android projects, this is basically this will work. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, and if you wish to support me, please consider buying my course. I'll teach you how to become a freelance game developer. You can also check out my affiliate links that are in the description. Thank you very much.